Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, mailman just showed up with a parcel for me, and this is something that I won on a giveaway that GeekBuying was holding, and I've been waiting for this to come in the mail for a little bit. Finally showed up today, so I thought, well, let's unbox her and check her out. So this is the Tron Smart Bluetooth speaker, and I've done a little bit of homework on this thing already on the website, and looks pretty impressive. Apparently it's got 40 watts of power in this thing, so we're definitely going to put that to the test. And you know, it's different. I've had a few Bluetooth speakers in the past, but nothing with any kind of substantial power. And this thing claims to be 40 watts of output, and we're going to try this in a few different ways other than just throwing it onto an MP3 player, because it also has an auxiliary import, which is going to allow me to hook it up to other devices as well. So let's figure out how we get into this box. There we go. Nice box. Really like that. Wow, that is nice. Look at the inside of that box. That's really nice. Make a good storage box if you wanted to store it. So we've got a user manual right here, and let's check and see what we got. Wow, English is awesome in this thing. That is really good. Not bad. Okay, so let's put the oh, we also got let's get into this warranty card as well. But that is actually a really nice box if you wanted to store it in here if you're not going to be using it for a long period of time. It's really nice, and magnetically sealed too, which is kind of cool. Awesome. So we got a little box that came out of the inside. We're going to see what's in here. Now this is rechargeable. Ah, right on. I don't have to go fishing for a cord. This is the auxiliary input cord. So you can go right direct off your device, or like I said, we're going to hook it into other stuff other than like an MP3 player. A little bit of a short cable. It's about roughly 2 feet, but that's about all you need anyhow. You don't need anything majorly long, so that's all right. And of course we have our USB charge cable. And so we're going to have to definitely charge this puppy up and make sure it's full power. But and there's your USB cable. Again, it's about almost 2 feet there. Rough guess. So let's take a look at the speaker. Voila! Wow, that's nice looking. So I can actually see through the grill here. And so you've got two speakers here and a little subwoofer. And from what I read up on, you can actually use this, I guess, with your phone. There's supposed to be a microphone in this thing, I think. From what I was reading anyways. Have to go through the manual and really see for sure. On the back here, we've got a line-in source, on and off for the power. If you have a micro SD card, you can put a whack load of files on there. So we'll try that port out for sure, see how that works out. As well as your DC in, which is also your charge port. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like the looks of that. That looks pretty awesome. And it does light up really cool. That's neat. Wow, that's already bassy sounding. So yeah, I'm going to charge this, make sure it's fully charged, and then we'll come back and we'll give it a good testing and on a few different things and see what we think of this. But you know, it's kind of cool that I won this because, you know, I've been looking at other Bluetooth speakers, and it's kind of like, you know, I wouldn't mind something just for a little bit of extra portability with more volume, because the ones I've had before, they're just like these little dinky things, and they're really not all that loud anyways. And this would probably come in handy too, even to use in the car until we actually get a better stereo for the car, because our new car we got actually has a cassette deck in it, and yet it's a 2005, options for you. But we're going to upgrade the deck. But in the meantime, we can also use this in the car as well and run it through our phones and, you know, have some probably some pretty obnoxious sound levels, which we're going to test. So stay tuned. So this is the Tron Smart. You can buy these if you're looking to purchase one from GeekBuying. They carry it. I won mine, which is really awesome. So thank you very much, GeekBuying, for this. That was so cool of you guys. Hey, next video is coming up soon, and we'll see what it sounds like and go from there. So thanks for watching. Catch you later.